Hello everyone, welcome back to day 4 of 30 days Python challenge. So far our Python programs only displays information. But what if your program could ask your name, age or favorite language and you responds to you. Today we are going to make our Python programs interactive. Here what is user input? User input in the sense, take an example, you have downloaded one application and application will ask you to enter your username and password, right? That is what user input means. It's allowing someone to enter your information. In Python, we do using this input function. Python displays this message and waits for the users to type something. Whatever the user enters, it's stored in the variable name, and now we can use that value in our program. If I enter Raji here, Python stores it in name and we can print a personalized greeting. Our program is now interactive and we can ask as many questions as we want. Here we are collecting the user's name, age and city, storing each answers in a variable and then using those values. Then here one important thing is like input returns a string only. Here something very important means the input function gives us a string by default even if the user enters a number. So if we want to perform calculations, we need to convert that input into the correct data type. Like we can wrap input inside init to convert the entered value into an integer. Now let's combine everything and see what will be the final output. We can ask for the user's name and age. Since we want to calculate with the age, we convert it to an integer. The Python calculates what their age will be next year. So now it's your turn. Create a program that asks for your name, age, country, and your favorite programming or anything else. Then use those values to print personalized introduction. Try it yourself and share the input in the comments. Tomorrow on day 5, we'll learn Python operators and perform calculations with our data. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for day 5. Thank you.